Is it time to buy or sell Poet Technologies stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Poet Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, 23rd September 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September 2025, our system has identified Poet Technologies as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend on a short-term basis, with indications of further declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.41% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 47.45% to an increase of 1.72%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 15.56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 28.08% and an increase of 62.34% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $4.32 to $9.74. Our latest daily update for Poet Technologies highlights significant movements in the company's stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating by 18.43% between high and low. The stock price of Poet Technologies Inc. increased by 16.28% on the last trading day, moving from $5.16 to $6. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 18.43%, with a low of $5.24 and a high of $6.20. Although the price has decreased in 5 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 12.57% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal, with 7 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 8 million shares changed hands for approximately $48.57 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.79, while the lowest was $3.09. Currently, the price is 22.98%, or $1.79, below the 52-week high, and 45.45%, with $5, below the all-time high recorded on March 14, 2022, when the price peaked at $11. Poet announced this morning that it will present at ECOC 2025 and notably confirmed an initial purchase order for production volumes of its optical engines from a key customer, a clear step from engineering engagements toward repeatable product sales. In August, the company also unveiled a strategic partnership with NTT Innovative Devices to develop advanced optical engines for artificial intelligence-enabled mobile networking, broadening its potential addressable market and adding commercial credibility. Poet completed a $25 million non-brokered offering in July, bolstering cash resources, and recently filed its second quarter 2025 financial results. Separately, it's proceeding with a voluntary delisting from the TSXV while remaining listed on NASDAQ. In the short term, the production order, NTT tie-up, and fresh capital should lift sentiment and reduce execution risk, which can support a higher share price or at least limit downside while investors digest revenue guidance and margins. Expect volatility around investor reaction to the second quarter figures and any delivery or qualification milestones. In the long term, sustained stock appreciation will hinge on successfully scaling production, converting pilot orders into recurring revenue, expanding commercial partnerships like NTT, and improving unit economics. If Poet executes well, the company could justify a materially higher valuation. However, failure to scale would keep the stock speculative. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned POET a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum again rated POET with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to POET Technologies stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell classification. The following signals have been identified for POET Technologies. The stock of POET Technologies Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around $5.28 and $5.29. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Meanwhile, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is typically viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also been observed, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 14, 2025, resulting in a decline of nearly 20%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 51 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 65 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 84 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for POET Technologies. POET Technologies Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.77. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average price movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 97 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting an increase of 18.43%. In the last week, the stock exhibited daily average volatility of 6.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for POET Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 9 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for POET Technologies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for POET Technologies is at $6.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, POET Technologies encounters its first support level at $5.77. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.67, reflecting a decrease of 5.58%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 50 days ago. Is POET Technologies stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we expect POET Technologies to open lower by 188 cents and start trading at $5.81. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.